Okay, good morning, sixth grade. This is take two from my brain fart earlier today. For today's warm up, how much for one? 11 ice pops cost $10.23. How much for one? And then we'll get everybody on the work that they need to be working on. Happy Friday. Hey, Kareem. Hey, Fergie. Hey, Brian. Sorry, Kareem beat you to it. Hey, Royman. Good to see you guys. Happy Friday. This is the end of the fourth week of remote learning. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good work. Let's find the cost for one, please. One ice pop. If 11 costs $10.23, how much is one? Brian, that might be because if you just entered, I don't think you can see the previous. Well, that wouldn't make any sense either. You should be able to see previous chats. I don't know, but let's find the cost of one ice pop, shall we? How much for one? One ice pop costs ? And the rate that they're giving us is that 11 ice pops cost $10.23. All right. So let me hear your thoughts of what you want to do to figure it out. And then we'll get everybody on the things that they need to be working on, okay? Okay, Kareem says 93 cents. Brian says that this answer doesn't make sense, but 5.115, 93 cents. Okay, so Brian, I have a question for you, okay? When you did your calculations and you said to yourself, this doesn't make any sense, but this is what I've got. How do I phrase this? Something is telling you that it doesn't make sense. So, okay, why doesn't it make sense? Let me hear what you think. Why doesn't that make sense to you? Because I like that you're evaluating your own work. You have to do that. Hey, Brian. Sorry for the confusion earlier. We're in the middle of the warm-up. We're trying to figure out how much one ice pop costs at the rate that 11 would cost $10.23. And Brian right now is going to explain why this does not make sense, because something is telling him that this doesn't make sense. So I'm just waiting for him to tell me. And while we're waiting for him to say that, Kareem, I would like to know how you arrived at this answer. I'll take attendance while I'm waiting for responses. Excuse me. Okay, let's see if I'm missing anybody. I started to divide $10.23 to 11, and I got 93 cents. Instead of the word to, use the word by, by. I started to divide 1023 by 11. Okay, why did you do that? I have Royman, Fergie, Kareem, Astrid, Brian H, and Brian O. Am I missing anyone that has joined stream? I divide 0.93 to 1. What's the purpose of dividing 93 cents by 1? Sorry, I got disconnected. Good morning, Mr. Casamento. This one is my homeroom. What did I miss? Brian O, I asked you to tell me why you thought that this didn't make any sense. That's what I was waiting for from you. And Kareem, I would like to know how you got... All right, Kareem said that he did 1023 divided by 11. And he got 93 cents. So if we're going to answer it, if he was to answer it, he would say it costs no dollars and 93 cents, right? Brian said that this didn't make sense. And I'm still waiting to hear from Kareem. I'm waiting to hear from Kareem why he set it up that way. Brian O, I want to know why you set that up like that then. Because we were comparing ice pops and cost. Okay, that's a nice way to say it. Kareem is saying that we're comparing two quantities. We're comparing ice pops and cost. So Kareem, the reason why I'm asking you why you did what you did is because you're comparing two quantities, that's true. But what about people who wanted to do this? How do you know which way it goes? And Brian O, if you did divided by 2, you have to tell me why you chose to divide by 2. The 11 looked like a Roman number 2. Oh, no, I wouldn't have done that to you. I'm sending out emails to remind students of schedules. I will talk to you later. Okay, all right, no problem. Thank you. I'll see you later. No problem, Brian. That's why we talked about it. But I'm glad that you caught that this didn't make sense. So if you catch yourself and you say, oh, this doesn't make sense, then you got to look at the problem again. Hi, Annalise. How are you? Okay. So Kareem said that we are comparing ice pops and we're comparing cost. I am looking for the cost of one ice pop. I don't know what it is, but I do know that 11 costs $10.23. How do you get from here to here? Divide by 11. How do you get from here to here then? If you keep the equivalent ratio, you divide by 11. This is why Kareem chose to take 1023 and divide by 11, and he got the correct answer. Each ice pop cost 93 cents. Good morning, Nathan.